dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I do keto vlogs, hauls, reviews, all the things, all the keto. I do vlogs every day. I'm a daily vlogger, but I also, you know, do grocery hauls and things like that. I have 4 beautiful kids, a Fluffy Husky, 2 kitties, and I love clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube universe. I know I say that every day, but it really does. It really helps me, you guys. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. So this is the part where I show you what I'm eating today for lunch. It is payday. I am finally able to get something. So I went to the little store right across the way from work, and I just got this salad. Just a salad with some ranch dressing. It's got bacon, egg, cucumber, cheese, some tomato, and some romaine lettuce. And then I got myself a orange vanilla Coke Zero. That's it. In my lunch bag, you have a Premier Protein and a Too Good yogurt. I probably will not get to those. Probably just gonna eat my salad and enjoy my lunch. I will see you guys soon. Hey guys, I'm home. Let me tell you, it's been the craziest few hours. So my boss was in meetings all day, and when he got out of meetings all day, he then broke the news to me that we're going down to 8 hours when normally I've been working 10-hour days again. We finally just got our overtime back, and we don't know for how long. I was even working on the weekends to get a little bit of extra money. No more weekends. And other news, I'm waiting for a couple packages to arrive and they haven't yet. So I think it's kind of weird, especially since they said they were supposed to be here today. Although one thing did show up, but it's not what I was hoping it would be. So Sashka bracelets. I know a lot of you know who I can't even say it, Sashka is, because Keto Diamond has reviewed them and she promotes them a lot on her channel. They reached out to me and they asked me if I would like to review them, and they gave me a gift code to get a free bracelet. So if you guys remember, let me prop you up somewhere. We're gonna prop you up on a cup, my makeshift tripod. If you guys remember me talking about my aunt and her recent diagnosis with breast cancer, I picked a breast cancer awareness bracelet as my bracelet to review. So it comes with a little sticker that says "Be kind," and then it has a little insert that says the bracelets will roll on over any size hand. It may feel snug at first, but keep rolling. They will not break, and they each come with a lifetime guarantee. Now I remember Keto Diamond had her dad, who has rather large hands, put it on, and it fit right over his hand, and she's raved on and on about these. I actually bought one for her grandson because he really wanted one, so I bought one for him. And these bracelets are super cool. I've wanted one for myself, but I just hadn't had the money. So it also says that the bracelet was hand crocheted, beaded by a skilled artisan in the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. And your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. So this is their little logo, and it comes in this little bag. Here's the bracelet, and if you can see, it actually does have the breast cancer awareness ribbon on them. It's rather, don't mind my fingers, you guys, I just got off work. It's a rather nice, sturdy bracelet, and I do feel like I have big hands. So it says roll. It is a little tight at first, but it did roll on. Now these are my bracelets from Melanie. If you guys, I always have her linked down below. She's somewhere in the description to her Facebook page where she sells these. This was a set, and I love it. If you don't remember, I showed it off. That's an L for Link for my dog, and then a little paw print. So this fits. Now let's see about taking it off. You don't have to worry about losing that. It does come off. I'm putting it back on. A little tiny bit looser, but not by much. And I really like it. I do like this bracelet. I mean, I knew that I liked them before from watching Joni review them, but I just never had the money. They are around $20, I think, the bracelet. And I think I have a discount code, a link or something that I can put in the description box if you're interested in trying one. I think you get $5 off or something like that. Don't quote me, I could be wrong. I'll throw it up here on the screen if I'm wrong and tell you what you do get off. But if you're interested in it, these will be in my description box permanently. And if anything, I'm getting this in support of for my aunt. And maybe in the future I might buy some for all my aunts, all the ladies in my family. Every time you guys purchase something, I don't get money, but I get like a credit on my account, so then I can then in turn get bracelets. I don't know, if you want, they're there. But other than that, I have to mail this out tomorrow. This is and I know it's been a whole week, and I'm so sorry to the winner of these. I wish I could have just had the company send them out, but they sent them to me first, and then I didn't have any money to ship the stuff out, so I will be shipping this tomorrow. Got paid today. The post office is already closed, so I can't go there. So I will be shipping that out tomorrow. Today I'm going to, I think we're just gonna have bacon and eggs for dinner, and I'll show you that. Why am I going, and I'll show you that when I make it. So other than that, I don't really have any updates. It's kind of been a day. So here, you can have this Be Kind sticker.
That's cool.
Okay, bye guys. So this is my omelet that I am making. It's got some bacon, green pepper, mozzarella and cheddar cheese, salt, pepper, and some of that everything but the bagel seasoning that I got from Aldi, and 4 eggs. And I did eat 1 egg and 2 slices of bacon already. Yeah, so probably not gonna eat anything else after this. Here it is, guys. This is the omelet. I cut it into 3s. I don't know if I'll eat it all, but I'm just having a day. I'm trying to fill up on some protein and some just keto things, and I'm gonna shower and go to bed. It's only 6:41, but I've had it with today. Sorry that the vlog isn't longer. I promise tomorrow's will be better. Have a good night.